Hey guys, it's Hannah Jean. Welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another makeup tutorial, but I'm doing something a little bit different. I had the idea to do some looks based on some of my favorite album covers, and I'm obsessed with album covers. So I'm wearing this shirt. Today I'm going to be doing Metallica's Ride the Lightning. I've been obsessed with this album since like elementary school. It's one of the best, probably one of the best thrash metal albums there is. Don't tell Dave I said that, but he helped write a lot of them. So in this particular album, here's like the little inner sleeve that has this guy. And this one is an original, so it even came with this like order form for their Metal Militia fan club thing. So I thought that was pretty rad. So anyways, I based this look on the album cover, and if you're interested to see how I did it, keep watching. So I started off with my face already done and eyebrows already done, and then I'm going to be using this translucent Locket Kat Von D powder just to keep any eyeshadow from getting stuck to my foundation. Then my special trick is I use tape actually to keep a really sharp line with my eyeshadow. So once you stick it on, make sure it's not like bent with your skin. Sometimes the skin can crease and that'll kind of mess up your line. So for this whole look, I'm going to be using the Saints and Sinner Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to use is Amen. And I'm going to put that all over my lid, just kind of as a basis color. So next, as a transition color, I'm going to be using the shade Ashes, and I'm going to put that all in my crease. Now the next color I'm going to be using is Ministry. It's a super bright blue, and then I'm going to be putting that in the corners, outer corners of my eye, and bring it into my crease a little bit. Next color I'm going to be using is Vestment, and I'm going to put that over Ministry a little bit and into the center of my eyelid, not quite in the inner corner yet. Then after I put that color on, I'm going to get my fluffier eyeshadow brush and blend that in. Now I'm going to go into the super rad shade Heaven. It's a super metallic silver, and then I'm going to put that in the center and corners of my eyelids, as well as up by my brow bone. It wasn't looking as blue as I had hoped, so I went back into Ministry to put a little more pigment in the corner of my eyes. To blend it all out together a little bit more, I went into the shade Cathedral and went in with my fluffy brush in the crease of my eyes. I wanted the silver to be a little bit more opaque, so I took my Kat Von D setting spray and sprayed my brush and went back in with Heaven and patted that on the center of my eyelids. Once I'm done with my upper lids, I take off the tape, and you can see how sharp the tape makes the eyeshadow look. But to get a little bit more dimension and open up my eye, I'm going to take Ministry again and shade my lower lids in the outer corners. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Heaven and do the inner corners of my eyes. So I wanted it to be a little bit more electric, so I went in with Kat Von D's Alchemist palette with the shade Blue Sapphire, and just did the inner corners of my lids as well as my brow bone, and then highlighted my cheekbones and nose to give it a little more electric chair feel. So now for the interesting part, I'm going in with Kat Von D's ink liner in white to do the Lightning Bolt eyeliner, and I have no idea how I did this on the first try. But basically I'm following that line that the tape made for me, but just slightly lower, and then making a little lightning bolt out of it. It's okay if it's not completely perfect right now, because I'm going to go back in with the black tattoo liner to give it a little more sharpness. So once I'm done with the white eyeliner, I'm going to come in with Kat Von D's tattoo liner in Trooper and do my eyeliner the way I would normally do, kind of a cat eye, but then I'm going to follow the upper part of the lightning bolt to make it sharper. Now I'm going to go back in with that white eyeliner and just brighten up the bolt a little bit and sharpen up the points. And now that I'm done with the liner, I'm going to come in with my favorite Tarte mascara and finish up the look. So since I somehow lost my black Kat Von D lipstick, I went in with the shade Sanctuary, and then I took that same blue highlight from the Alchemist palette and put it all over my lips. Then to spice it up a little bit and completely finish it, I decided to add a little Kat Von D inspired lightning bolt on my face using the tattoo liner in Trooper, and then going in with the white and filling it in. Alrighty guys, so that concludes my tutorial on this Ride the Lightning makeup look. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for me. I'm probably going to be doing a lot more of these album cover inspired look. So if there's any you would like to see, let me know in the comments. But until next time, rock on, dudes!